like in this American boy.
And right now I'm on vacation at a house, not like a hotel or like a camper. And right now I'm going to do a room tour of my room in the Florida Keys. So just a quick look at the room. Okay, start off right here. So lights don't really work. I have no idea why. Anyways, this part of the room is just like very plain. So let's go over here. So in this door is the bathroom. Okay. And then in here is my cousin's room. So like we kind of share a bathroom because it's like you can walk in here and then they can walk in. So yeah, we share it. Then over here I have my charger. And right here I have like my little nightstand. So this is the bed and this is my side of the This is my side of the bed. That's my brother's side of the bed. So I have my nightstand, like I have scrunchies, rubber bands, and my case. I don't know. Just a bunch of like random stuff like necklaces, fans, light, water. So then here I have like some stuffed animals. And I love how the bed blanket thing has like a bunch of shells on it and like coral reefs. Because it's Florida Keys and you know it's all about fishing. And here's just their suitcases. Boring. Oh yeah, and here's just a couple pairs of my shoes. I only brought like 4 or 5. Like 5 or 6 I think. And I actually bought one at the store. So here I have my checker Vans and my water shoes from the water and my white checkered Vans. So if you're wondering like what white checkered Vans, I'll show you. So it's basically just 2 shades of white. The other one kind of looks just like gold sometimes, like when you're outside or when you're in a bright space. So yeah, that's basically what it is. And so over here, there's my brother's tide and his nightstand, very boring. His AirPods, his water, and just this stuff. And then, yep, there's just pillows. And here is a TV and a flower. And then we have this picture on the wall. Oh yeah, same one over there, I think. And then that picture, there. And then over here we have some more pictures. And then in here is just a bunch of clothes. But this is my favorite part of the room. Well, maybe. And I have this thing that we made in like art. I just brought it for like a coaster maybe. So like it's a plastic cup and then you draw on it and then she like put it in the oven and it got like this. And yeah, they're really cool and fun. And then way back here, my mom brought this and she put my earrings in it. And it was from my aunt actually, and I'm at this vacation with my aunt and my grandparents. So yeah, that's from her. It's like a little bag thing. And then I have these bath salts. They're champagne rose. Sorry. And I have a cutie. Because we brought all the snacks mostly for like the plane rides and like the car drive. And so yeah, but they're also for here too. I didn't even eat any granola bars on the plane. I just ate like stuff they served and other stuff like canteen gum. And then in here I actually got these cups on the plane. And so I just thought they'd be like, I just thought I want to bring them for like stuff to like little, like put things in. So anyways, in here I have chapsticks and I have lotion. So they actually have a bunch of lotion here. Like, let me show you. So in this bathroom, in all the bathrooms, they have like, so they have lotion. Wait, no. This is conditioner and this is shampoo. And then they have the cleaning bar thing. And they have Q-tips, I think that's what they're called, and makeup remover wipes. And then they also had lotion. Same over here. So there's 2 sinks. And so I took the lotion because it's for you to like take and keep. So it's lemongrass flavor, I think. I was confused with what this is because it has like a Spanish side, like words are in Spanish, and then it has an English side. And then I have like a lot more lotions. And I love this chapstick because it's like, so I don't know if you can tell, but it says Dream Cycle Lip Balm. And then, does it say on here? I don't know. But at the store I got it from, they said they are also sunscreen. So I'm like, sunscreen just for your lips. And so yeah, all I have in this cup is lotion and chapstick. And then in this one I have gum and candy. Oh, whoops, I put chapstick in that one. So I have like the Reese's egg, some gum. But I had more stuff in there, but I've been eating it. So yeah, and then this one, I was gonna let my brother put stuff in here, but he didn't. Yeah. So I think I already said this, but we have like a bunch of clothes in those drawers. And then over here, there's this chair. It's really comfortable. And then this is my brother's closet, and wow, he does not bring much stuff. Vacation. He has like shirts and sweatshirts. And then this, I don't know why I put in this one. Well, yeah, it was because it had a shelf. It was before we like really thought of using closets for our clothes. We were just gonna put them in those shelves on the suitcases. So yeah, this is my neck pillow. It's a Mickey Mouse one because me and Kaylee actually got them for Disneyland, and we got matching water bottles too. My mom got them for her for Christmas, and she got them for me too. But I knew it because when we picked them out for her and me, she got me this. And then, so we have this blanket, and I think that's a sheet. No, it's a pillowcase. I was going to say it's really small. And then we have like that thing, I forget what it's called, sewing iron thing, and the sewing table. Not sewing, I forget what it's called. I don't really care though. And then I have a vacuum, and I have no clue what that is. It looks like